Welcome to our 1 minute reading challenge. Here you go. UK Army tests anti-drone radio wave weapon. The UK tested a weapon to destroy drones. The weapon uses radio waves to knock drones out of the sky. Many armies use drones to attack enemies. Drones cause a lot of damage. The UK's new weapon uses radio waves to damage computer chips inside drones. This can make 100 drones crash at the same time. The UK spent $53 million on its anti-drone weapon. It costs 18 cents to fire one shot at drones. A bullet costs 10 times more. The UK wanted to find cheaper ways to defend its soldiers. Drones are seen more and more in combat. Last year, Ukraine had to defend itself against attacks from more than 18,000 drones.